Okay, in this video, we're going to find the focus and directrix of x squared equals negative 8y, and then we're going to graph. In the last video, we did y squared example. This time, we're using the example of an x squared. So we know just from previous parabola work that when you have an x squared and it's negative, it's going to end up being an upside down u. So we can kind of visualize the shape just from our knowledge from previous modules. So hopefully we remember that from before. So we're going to use the standard form here for the x squared at the origin. So first of all, we know my vertex is going to be right there on the center. So we're all good. The vertex is at 0, 0 in this scenario. And then we're going to go ahead and use the x squared equals 4py general formula. Okay, so we know my 4p has to equal the negative 8 from our equation in this example. So we're going to solve for p and get my p equals negative 2. So then from here, I know that my value has to be 0, negative 2. That is going to be my focus. So that means that my parabola is going to go this way. I don't want to go too much because I'm going to find some points there. And my directrix will be parallel, will be y equals positive 2, the opposite of our focus. So we're going to go up to here. And our directrix is always a line, and it will always be parallel to whatever value is being squared. So, you know, we always know x is here, y is here. Since my x is being squared, my directrix will be parallel to the x-axis somewhere along here. Okay, so now we're just going to find a couple points. The best thing to do is to take your p-value and go back to your original equation and plug in your p-value for a y, and that'll usually get you a perfect square. So going back, again, my equation was x squared equals negative 8y, right? Sorry, I squished that in there. So what I want to do is do x squared equals negative 8 times negative 2 to find a perfect square here. So we end up with 16. So my x equals plus or minus 4. So we're going to go over 4 and down 2, and then we're going to go minus 4 and down 2, so that we get 1, 2, 3, 4, down 2, down 2, and we end up with our parabola looking something like that, a little crookedy, but as my usual graphs are. But this is how you're going to graph these parabolas. So I showed you one with the y squared, and I showed you one with the x squared. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video.